$1 in current assets and the $2 million in inventory and the prepaid expenses and the $4 million in the current liabilities. This means the quick ratio is 1.5. It indicates that the company has enough money to pay its bills and continue operating. If you want advanced trading method, join us our Telegram channel, link in description. Next, the candlestick pattern is a doji. The doji candlestick chart pattern is associated with the indecision in the market of underlying assets. This could mean potential reversal of a current trend or consolidation. This pattern can occur at the top of the uptrend, bottom of the downtrend, or middle of a trend. The candlestick itself has an extremely small body centered between a long upper and a lower wick. If you want advanced trading method, join us our Telegram channel, link in description. Next, the earnings per share. It's about called as the EPS. When buying a stock, you participate in the future earnings or the risk of loss of the company. It is a measure of the profitability of the company. Investors use it to gain an understanding of a company value. The company's analysts calculate EPS by dividing the net income by the weighted average number of common shares outstanding during the year. Net income divided by weighted average equal to EPS, earnings per share. So earnings per share will also be 0 or negative if the company has 0 earnings or negative earnings, representing a loss. A higher EPS indicates a greater value. So if you want advanced trading methods, join us our Telegram channel, link in description. Next chart pattern is a hammer. The hammer candlestick pattern is viewed as a bullish reversal, usually occurring at the bottom of the downward trend. This candle formation includes a small body whereby the open, high, low and close are roughly the same. This is a long lower wick beneath the body, which should be more than twice the length of the candle body. The body may be bullish or bearish. However, bullish is considered more favorable. If you want advanced trading method, join us our Telegram channel, link in description. Next, we can see the price earning ratio. Okay, so this is called a short. This ratio is used by the investors to determine a stock potential for growth. It reflects how much they would pay to receive $1 of earnings. Example, if often used to compare the potential value of the selection of a stock to calculate the PE ratio divided by a company current stock price by its earning per share to calculate the PE ratio. Example, the current stock price divided by earnings per share equal to price earning ratio. Okay, so a company PB ratio would be the $46.51 million divided by the $4.90. It could be close trading is $46.51. A share and EPS is a past 12-month average $4.90. Investors would spend $9.49 for every generated dollar of annual earnings. Investors have been willing to pay more than 20 times the EPS for certain stocks when they have felt their future growth in earnings would give them adequate returns of the investment. The PE ratio will not longer make sense if a company has 0 or negative earnings. It will appear not applicable. Okay, so we can consider as the PV ratio. If you want advanced trading method, join us our Telegram channel, link in description. Okay, so next candlestick pattern is a bullish or bearish harami. A bullish or bearish harami may indicate a reversal pattern. It's a candlestick pattern because of the resemble a pregnant woman. So the second candle is the pattern must be contained within the body of a first candle, as seen is imaged below. This old truth for both bullish and bearish harami. A downward precedes a bullish harami and an upward precedes for a bearish harami. If you want advanced trading methods, join us our Telegram channel, link in description. Next, the debt to equity ratio. What if your prospective investment target is borrowing too much? This can increase fixed charges, reduced earnings available for a dividend, and a pose of risk to shareholders. This measures how much company is funding operation using a borrowed money. It can indicate whether shareholder equity can cover all debits if necessary. Investors often use it for a compare the leverage used by the different companies in the same industry. This can help them determine which might be a lower risk investment. Divide total liabilities by total shareholders equity to calculate the debt equity ratio. Okay, So example, total liabilities divided by total shareholders equity equal to divided by 2 equal to ratio. If you want advanced trading method, join us our Telegram channel, link in description. Okay, so next candlestick pattern is a dark cloud cover. The dark cloud cover pattern is seen as a bearish reversal pattern. This candlestick pattern must occur during an uptrend. As seen in the image below, the bullish candle is followed by a bearish candle. This bearish candle must confirm certain criteria to validate the dark cloud cover pattern. The opening price must be higher than the previous day close. The closing price must close below the midpoint of the previous bullish candle. The dark cloud cover pattern looks similar to that of bearish engulfing pattern. The difference between the two relates to the second candlestick. Bearish engulfing pattern as a second candlestick pattern opening above the close of the first, whilst the dark cloud covers open the above layer of the first candle and it closes below the midpoint of the first candlestick body. Okay, so like carefully you can handle it. If you want advanced trading method, join us our Telegram channel, link in description. Next, return on equity, ROE. It measures profitability and how effectively a company uses its shareholders make money a profit. ROE is expressed as a percentage of a common stock stakeholders. Okay, so it's calculated by taking net income. Example, like an income less expensive and taxes figured before paying common share dividends and after paying preferred share dividend. Divide the result by total shareholders equal to net income and the taxes before paying common share dividend and after paying the preferred share dividend divided by total shareholders equal to the return on equity. Okay, so let's say if XYZ companies have net income is a $1.3 million, its a shareholder equity is $8 million. The ROE is therefore 16.25%. The higher the ROE, the better the company is generating profit using a shareholder equity. Okay, understood? So if you want advanced trading methods, join us our Telegram channel, link in description. Okay, so next pattern is a piercing pattern. The piercing pattern is viewed as a bullish candlestick reversal pattern at the end of a downtrend or during a pullback within a uptrend or at the support. Okay, so there are two components of piercing pattern formation. First one is the bearish candle. Next one is a bullish candle. The piercing pattern occurs when a bullish candle second closes above the middle of the bearish candle first. In a downward trending market, the open price of the second candle should gap down or market open and end should by closing above the midpoint of the previous candle as indicated below. Okay, so both the piercing and the dark cloud cover pattern have similar characteristics. The difference is that the piercing line is a bullish reversal pattern as mentioned above, whilst the dark cloud cover pattern is a bearish reversal pattern. Understood? So if you want advanced trading method, join us our Telegram channel, link in description. Next, inside bars. The inside bar pattern is utilized in trending market whereby the high and low of the inside bars is within the parameter of the previous candle or mother bar. Inside bars are traded within the direction of the trend. If the market is a downtrend, the trader would look to continue with a short position with the presence of the inside bar. The same principle is applied in an uptrend. Trading in a direction of the trend is not always a given, as key level of support or resistance can indicate a reversal. Classically, the entry point for traders is positioned above or below the high or low of the mother bar depending on the direction of the trade. And inside bar is also similar to bullish or bearish harami candlestick pattern. The main difference being with the inside bar, the high and low are considered with a real body is ignored. If you want an advanced trading method, join us our Telegram channel, link in description. Okay, next, the long wicks pattern. The long wicks candlestick pattern are often indicate a reversal in a trend. Long wicks occurs when prices are tested and then rejected. The wick indicate rejected prices. Identifying the trend is important to interpret the significance of the long wick. Identify the key levels and price action is often used in the conjunction with long wick patterns. Understood? So if you want advanced training method, join us our Telegram channel, link in description. Next, shooting star pattern. A shooting star is a bearish candle with a long upper wick, little or no lower wick, and a small real body near the day's low. Okay, so it comes after an uptrend and potentially indicates a trend reversal to the downside. The distance between the high and opening price of the candles must be more than twice as large as the shooting star body. The distance between the lowest price for the day and the closing price must be very small or non-existent. Understood? So this is called a shooting star pattern. If you want advanced trading method, join us our Telegram channel, link in description. Evening star and morning star. The evening and morning star candlestick pattern occurs at the end of the upward or downward trend respectively, and they tend to indicate the reversal patterns. The name comes from the star shaped formation of the arrangement. As you can see from the image below, the first candlestick is in a direction of the trend, followed by the bullish or bearish candle with a small body. The third candlestick is seen to the direction of the reversal, ideally closing past the halfway point of the first candlestick. Trading this candlestick pattern will require a confirmation candle in the direction of the respective reversal. For example, traders will look for a bearish candle after the evening star. If you want an advanced trading method, join us on our Telegram channel, link in description. Next, the working capital ratio. Accessing the health of the company in which you want to invest involves measure is liquidity. The term liquidity refers to how easily company turn assets into the cash to pay short-term obligation. The working capital ratio can be useful in helping you measure liquidity. It represents a company's ability to pay its